Hi guys, it's your girl August Rain and I'm back with another video. Yes, I've been gone for 2 years.
Why?
Well, nearly 2 years, but I'm back. See some about it. Look at the look. Look at the glitter. Look at the colour. Been gone, but I said let me come back and let me come back bad. So I'm gonna come back bad. Oh man, so I did this Valentine's Day inspired look. And it's giving glitter, it's giving grunge, it's giving
Why?
it's giving. We got glitter on the lid with some nice long fluffy lashes and a nude lip. So if you want to find out how I got this look that you can wear for your man or your brethren or whoever on Valentine's Day or just on a normal day, because you know, lockdown, we ain't going nowhere, then keep on watching. But don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because we'll come back and we'll come back bad for 2021. Bye.
Hey guys, so my brows and base were done off camera. Products will be left in the description down below. But we're just starting off with my P. Louise base in Popping Pink to lay down the shape we want for our shadow. This doesn't need to be perfect because we will be blending out the edges with eyeshadow next. So I'm going in first with Funky from the Stacey Marie Carnival palette. Just gently buffing out the edges of that pink base we just put down. And gradually building pigment and making sure to use a light hand. For anybody who's starting off an eyeshadow, I highly recommend this palette. It's a 10 out of 10 and has a variety of colours. Next, I'm just going in with Persuasion, and this is our transition shade. I'm using this to build depth and dimension on the lid. You always want to add a darker shade in your crease just so that you get that gradual transition from light to dark. So next up, I'm just carving out my crease, and I'm doing that with Peaches and Cream pigment in Fangulous. To get this consistency, I just added a few drops of mixing medium to the pigment just so that it would create a liquid base. I'm using tapping motions and making sure not to swipe my brush. On top of that pigment, I'm adding glitter from my brand. This one is called Princess Cut Diamonds. I've been working on this for a little while and I haven't released it yet, but this is one of my favourite chunky glitters. It's a holographic pink and silver with fine specks of gold and pink. In low light, this shade even turns blue and green, so it's beautiful. I'll insert a pic on the screen somewhere so you guys can see. So I'm prepping my lashes and I'm using Revlon mascara in Ultra Black. Sis, please put mascara on before your lashes. You know when you put on your lashes and you get that droopy effect on the outer corner of your eye and your lashes don't sit upright? It's because you either haven't let your mascara dry down or you haven't got enough mascara on. So please put mascara on, let it dry, and then fling on them lashes. Prepping my face, and I just went in with Morphe's mattifying spray just to make sure I had a nice matte base before my foundation went on. Using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Chai, and I'm just going in with another brush first just to lay down that product. For concealer, I use Too Faced Born This Way in Butterscotch. It's the perfect match and golden undertone for the Chai foundation. I let the concealer dry down and then I buff it out using a fluffy brush from Peaches and Cream. This just helps to distribute the product evenly and give a lighter, cleaner finish for under the eyes. Setting that concealer, and I'm using the Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade Honey. Now for all my brown skin people, listen, this is the powder for us. There's no flashback, no white cast, and it just sets into the skin like butter. Look, you can see for yourself. A look at my face. It's smooth. So I'm carving out my cheeks and I'm using a cream contour. You know you've been snacking, sis, so you better contour them cheeks. This product is discontinued, guys, so I won't be listing it. Sis, did you get a text? What are you saying, Valentine? No, but you're smiling. Oh, is it like that? Saying I'm all, no, sis, no, but listen, concentrate. Yeah, we're recording. But I'm buffing that product into my cheeks, you know, working it up to the temples. Gotta make this face look slim, man. I've been eating, I can't lie. To set that contour, I'm going in with my powder bronzer in the shade High from Hawaii. I'm using a fluffy face brush so that I can really diffuse that product. We need to be soft and sexy today, sis. There she goes smiling again. Sis, at this point, can I have him? Because you're moving mad. So I'm just setting the rest of my face and I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Making sure to set all those creams and liquids we used before so nothing moves throughout the day. Or the night, because you know we're going to get real later. I'm actually moving mad. I need to relax. What? Are you that? Yes, sis, admire yourself. You're pretty like, oh. Didn't know you was capable of such things though. Time to set the face and lock in all those products, and I'm using the Morphe setting spray. Sis, are you alright? Liz, you're drowning, stop! Yes, grab a fan. Can you come like you just went swimming? Lining my lips, and I'm using the Cork MAC lip liner. She's old school, but she does the job every time. Going in with my favourite nude lipstick, and this is J250 by Jennifer Lopez and Inglot Collection. I lost a bit of that dimension, so I'm just going back in with my Cork lip liner to realign the lips, and then I'm topping that with some e.l.f. lip gloss in the shade Bubbles. And look at that lip combo. Yes, you look good. To finish off the look, I just combed out my hair. These bundles are from Hairess on Instagram, if anyone's wondering. Took a minute to admire myself. And then sis, this is the finished look. This is the Valentine's Glam. But quick message, guys, if you're by yourself, if you're booed up, whatever the case is, make sure you have a great Valentine's. Thank you for watching this video. I am back. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.